Hello and welcome to the day 99 of the 100 Days Challenge. We are getting to the end of the challenge, and today I continued with what I said yesterday. So we had one more tool pending to include into the extratools website, and it was the file size analyzer. At the end, this was meant to be that it displays the file or the text size in different size measures, and it's useful for API limit and performance checks. So it's important that it had no file uploads. So with that, basically I have it here. So you can either upload a file or put it as text. So if you just write file here, it says how many bytes, kilobytes, or characters, or UTF-8 bytes in case of text. Also, this works with the drag and drop. So if I'll just take one file from the left, so the thumbnail from yesterday, for example, and I drag it here, it just says that it has that many bytes, kilobytes, or megabytes. In this case, it does not have any characters, so it's not text, so it's 0. But this way you can verify quickly how this looks. So this was the last tool, but as you can see here, I have quite a few changes here. So I took the chance also to improve a few things. One of the things I said yesterday was that I didn't want this part of the labels on the top because it was taking too much space. Also, I didn't want the breadcrumb. So in the version from yesterday, there was a breadcrumb here on top, but it didn't add that much value. So I removed that also. Also, I took the opportunity to include the proper tools here. So we had up to 12 yesterday and was not the right ones. Now I just added the ones that we created here. And also for the different tools, I worked on the linking. So as if you remember, there's a section in each of the, now here you can see the tool layout. I moved this in the back and the bottom. I removed the breadcrumb, but there's a thing here in the, I added the different tools in here, and then where it is in each of the pages, there's some part that is related links. So these related links are the ones that create this section on the side. So when you are in here it says related tools. So in order to have a proper internal linking that it helps SEO, I just worked on having a proper links that all of them go to the different ones, because otherwise I was having all the time the same 3 tools. So I also worked on that, and I took this HT access so that it basically takes the without PHP, so that it also ensures it's not trying to access an actual folder. It ensures it redirects properly to avoid double websites, double URLs having the same content for SEO, and ensuring there is the HTTPS protocol every time. So with that, I think that I would have maybe the bundle complete. Now in a few minutes I'll need to drop, so for that reason I'm just recording it right now. I think I did a good progress today. Tomorrow will be the day to actually publish that, also work on the sitemap, and ensure that for each of the tools there's a section or a text that helps on SEO, because here right now I only have this part. But I would like that here below there is a section that each of the tools have a paragraph, a few words on the tool. So at the end it helps positioning the different tools. And yeah, once I have that, I think I'll have everything. Here in the old tools, it's like going into home. I'll need to have the about page and the privacy page. So those 2 pages are also some things to do for tomorrow. So here I'll be writing what I'm expecting for tomorrow. It's go live. I'll just put it in here, like to make it clear. For the go live, we just need to have the about page, the privacy page, tool text on the bottom for SEO, and how I was saying, it's the sitemap, and finally publish the page, the website, the site. So this is what I would expect for tomorrow. I think it's still feasible, and I would complete the challenge with different things. Then if I have some time, I'll do a recap of what we did during the challenge, because if we go back here, we can see that we will have done 100 videos. I had already one short video and one introduction video that I had done a few months back. So, but here basically we can see that we work on different things, and tomorrow I'll also take the chance to recap on all those things. And yeah, that's all for today. It's good that we are reaching the final days on this challenge. I was not sure if I could make it, but yeah, I'm proud of having done it as I did it. That's all for today. Thank you if you watch, and see you tomorrow with the last day and the recap of this challenge. Bye bye.